Experiment number 12 of Mechanics of Machine 2 lab is about epicyclic gear train. The objective of the experiment is to find the gear ratio of epicyclic gear train experimentally and compare it with the theoretical result. Gear train. A gear train is two or more gears working together by meshing their teeth and turning each other in system to generate power or to generate speed. There are three types of gear train: simple gear train, compound gear train, and epicyclic gear train. Simple gear train. The most common type of gear train is simple gear train. In simple gear train, the gear pair is connecting the two parallel shafts. The teeth of these type of gear train can be spur, helical, or herringbone. The main limitation of simple gear train is that the maximum speed change ratio is 10:1. Compound gear train. When there are more than one gear on a shaft, it is called compound gear train. A compound gear is a number of gears fixed together. Consequently, they rotate at the same speed, as both the gears are mounted on the same shaft. An example can be seen below. The gears that make up compound gear usually differ in size and have a different number of teeth. The gear train below has an arrangement of gear wheel including one compound gear and one simple gear. Epicyclic gear train. It is made of few components: a gear at the center called the sun, several medium-sized gears called the planets, and a large external gear called the ring gear. The planet gear rolls and revolves around the sun gear, and the ring gear rolls on the planet gear. These type of gear train have higher gear ratio. In many epicyclic gear train systems, one of three basic components is held stationary, and out of the two remaining components, one component is input that provides power to the system, and the remaining last component is an output that receives the power from the input. In our case, ring gear is stationary, sun gear is input, and planet carriers are output. The gear ratio of the epicyclic gear train in our apparatus is 1 over summation of 1 plus NA over NS, where NA is the number of teeth in ring gear and NS is the number of teeth in sun gear. This is the data sheet of the apparatus. Sun gear is driving gear, have 20 teeth. Planet gear is driven gear and have 16 teeth. The ring gear is fixed and has 52 teeth. Few applications of epicyclic gear trains are automobile. In automobile, it is used for automatic power transmission. Bicycles. In bicycle, it is used for controlling power of pedaling automatically or manually. In IC engine and electric motor, it is used as a powertrain. Apparatus description: sun gear, ring gear, planet carriers, dial scale. Procedure: take the 0 point on the dial in front of the pointer, rotate input gear clockwise, observe the motion of planet gear, note the number of revolution of input shaft that takes for one revolution of output shaft. Table of observation: it has 3 columns. First one is number of revolution of input shaft, second is number of revolution of output shaft, third is gear ratio. Gear ratio is input shaft revolution over output shaft revolution. It is the experimental value of gear ratio, and you will compare it with the theoretical value of gear ratio that we have derived in the previous slides.